All right, so next question here. This is obviously a little bit more challenging proportion. It doesn't have any quadratics involved, so it's not really too bad. But recognizing that it is a little bit more challenging, we got more than one x there. This is very similar to what we've done before. We're going to go ahead and cross multiply. So we'll go 4x plus 4 times 4. So I like to put the 4 in front. You don't have to. It's multiplication. It works in any way. But most people like to distribute from the front, which is what we are going to have to do later. So I've got the 4x plus 4 times the 4 there. And then I'm going to do the 5 times the 5x minus 4. So 5 times 5x minus 4, just like that. Now from here, we're going to do the same thing that you guys did earlier in some of those questions. We're going to distribute, which will give us 16x plus 16. And then we're going to distribute here, which will give us 25x minus 20. And then we should be able to solve. We want to get the x's on one side. I'm always going to move the x's first. I'm going to choose to subtract the 16x because I'd rather have a positive x over here. So, of course, these guys are going to cancel each other out. I'll be left with 16 on the left-hand side. 25 minus 16 is 9. So 9x is left, minus 20. Now that I've got all the x's together, I'm going to go ahead and do that PEMDAS backwards, get rid of that subtraction first. So we'll add 20 to the other side. And then we've got 36 equals, that would totally be a 9x. Cancel these guys out and divide both sides by 9 because we want to make sure that we've got x. And we've got x equals 36 divided by 9, which is 4. Now, just like with many of the previous questions, you can check that. You can put the 4 in and show that it actually gives you the same value. So let's go ahead and try that. We're going to go 4 times x plus 4 over 5 equals 5 times x, which is 4, minus 4 over 4. So 4 times 4 is 16, so 16 plus 4 over 5. And then 5 times 4 is 20, minus 4 over 4. And 16 plus 4 is 20 divided by 5. 20 divided by 5 is 4. 20 minus 4 is 16. Divided by 4 is 4. And so, yes, check. It does work out just fine, doesn't it? All right, so there you go. Way to check it. Please remember that when you have fractions, you're working with fractions, this is as if it were in parentheses. And so you do everything on the top before you do the division. Okay, don't do that division early unless you are unless you're really comfortable with how to do it correctly, in which case obviously you're welcome to do it. All right, if you have questions, please ask me when can I divide or how do I divide, and I can help you out with that as well. Okay, that's it.